Tinanong natin yung boses at napakaganda ng mga sinabi niyo sa iyo. You being a homegrown talent at hindi raw nagbabago ang ugali mo ever since na nagsimula.
Masaya naman po talaga ako to be part of GMA and to be still part of GMA in the years to come kasi parang since I started all the people have been supporting me and guiding me in my career. Always gives me the advice na loyalty is the key in everything. Kumbaga, loyalty will pay off sooner or later and parang yun po yung naging working ethic ko with GMA. I remain loyal to the network regardless of the circumstances that pass that's up ahead. And the network has been very good to me, very supportive, I can feel the support and love coming from them. So I really feel that I'm safe with GMA and that I feel at home with GMA. It's where my heart is.
Wow, talagang heart. Kapuso, kapuso.
Yes, kapuso.
Sinabi mo kanina, parang maraming plano para sa inyo.
Yes.
Actually, hindi lang sa'yo, pati kayo.
Yes po. So, yun po kahit ako po wala pa rin balita dyan, pero I'm very excited. I'm very much excited po kasi kumbaga after Imagine we'll have another project together and marami na naman pong ilo-look forward yung mga sumusuporta sa amin. And of course, hindi po will not let them down. And we're just very happy na all